in a meeting, the Enneagram 8 leader is asking his 6 teammate, oh, can you get me that information? I could use that data, because he's stating his needs. I don't know if the 6 realized he was creating a test. He went, got that report, had it ready for the Enneagram 8 leader. He did not give it to him because he wanted to see if it was really needed. And if the leader returned to ask a second time, he had it ready. He may not be communicating that he doesn't need the problem fixed. He's just wanting everyone to understand all of the circumstances. The 6 wanted to fix it, but he had concerns and doubts that maybe it wasn't worth the time needed. So there was this dysfunctional dynamic of maybe over asking and unnecessarily testing. And what it could look like is a fissure between those two people and a communication gap that could be growing. So that's one of the ways you could talk about your conflict using Enneagram, is that when 8s show up with their assertive social stance saying what they need, a question about why do you need it, what does it get you, to fully understand the problem can equip a 6 to go execute on that and to increase trust and in turn loyalty from that teammate. Instead of getting stuck in a downward spiral, you could use Enneagram as a vehicle for communication when you feel like things are going awry.